Hi guys, just did a video revisiting this old rubber band powered car that I did a long time ago, powered by loom bands, or in this case one loom band and a bit of cotton. I was able to get it to go 7 feet. And I remember when I did this, somebody asked me if I could make one even smaller. And this is what I came up with, made from paper clips. Now, that's pretty hopeless as far as distance goes because it's got no grip at all. But I will just demonstrate it for the sake of history. Loom bands, just in case you don't know what loom bands are, they're these things. Small silicone rubber bands, basically. So this one, hook one over there, over the hook on the back axle, if I can get it on there. Okay, but it's got no grip, so it's going to go no distance at all. In fact, there's no point in winding it up too far, because it just stands there and spins on the spot if you give it too much power. Are you ready for this? So what have we got? About a foot, maybe 30 centimeters, maybe. Give it one more go. There'll be a link in the video description to the original video on my main channel, because I'll be publishing this revisit on my Put a Rubber Band on It channel, whereas I used to put everything on my main channel. Right, here we go. No, it didn't go very straight, simply because it's got no grip at all, and those wheels aren't perfectly round when you look at them, so it bounces around and goes offline. That's just paper clips bent and soldered. I'll do a nice short video this time.